1. Ready to escape the world? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to redefine your listening experience with industry-leading noise cancellation. 2. Imagine true silence on a noisy commute or laser focus in a busy office. These literally make the world disappear around you. 3. You won't be tethered to a charger either, thanks to an incredible 30-hour battery life, perfect for long flights or marathon work sessions. 4. And switching seamlessly between your laptop and phone is a breeze with its convenient multi-point connection, so you never miss a beat or a call. 5. What truly makes these special is not just the tech, but the redesigned lightweight comfort and premium audio quality that truly stands out. 6. Whether you're a music lover or a busy professional, these are arguably the best headphones available for immersive sound. 7. If you're ready to upgrade your audio world, you can find the best price to buy these amazing Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones through our Amazon link below. 8. They solve the problem of daily distractions and offer pure, unadulterated audio bliss, changing how you work, travel, and relax. 9. For anyone seeking the ultimate wireless noise-canceling headphones, the WH-1000XM5 is an absolute must-have in 2025. 10. Experience the difference yourself. Click the link, grab yours, and elevate your entire day with unparalleled sound.